This circuit contains inductor, capacitor and resistor connected to a AC circuit. We already know inductor voltage in the y-axis, capacitor 1 by C omega reverse direction में है, resistor V and I in the same direction. We already know that. Then this both I am considering in a one diagram. That means resistor का VR here, inductor का VL here, देख रहे हैं ना VL, capacitor का VC. But this much of portion क्या है? This VL minus VC. VC को भी ऊपर करते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? That is the portion. समझ गया क्या? VL इधर VC है, ऊपर करने के बाद minus VC हो जाएगा. This much VL. So VL minus VC. This much portion. समझ रहे क्या? VL minus VC. समझ गया क्या? नहीं. This is VL. इधर VC है. VC छोटा है. Okay. This VC को मैं ऊपर कर दूँ. मतलब इधर से इधर तक. इधर प्लस VC है तो इधर आने के बाद माइनस VC हो जाएगा. समझ रहे ना सर? So इस इतना पोर्शन में VL BA VC BA. So this portion कितना है? VL minus VC. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. So this portion is VL minus VC. So इधर VR, इधर VL minus VC. So LCR में क्या हो जाएगा? इस तीनों का resultant. Resultant is here. With respect to the angle is phi. समझ गया क्या? Okay. Then after that, total velocity V equal to PR square plus VL minus VC all square. VL minus VC कैसे आ गया समझ गया ना? Then what is PR? I square R square. What is VL? IXL minus what is VC? IXC all square of this. Okay. Then P square equal to XL means L omega, XC means 1 by C omega. Then after that, in this term may be I square. Total square means I square. इधर may be I square. And take it I square outside. Balance is R square. I square बाहर चले गई L omega minus I बाहर चले गई 1 by C omega का all square. So R square this portion का भी square. Okay. Then after that I just remove this square here. V का square reduce कर दिया. कैसे हो जाएगा? इधर square root आ जाऊंगा. I को भी square root आ जाऊंगा. I square का square root का आंसर क्या है? I. This term का square root आ गया. ठीक है? Then after that I am just taking this I to here. V by I. V by I is called as effective resistance, otherwise impedance. So LCR circuit का impedance expression is this. समझ गया? Clear everyone? Then phi consider कर रहे हैं. Tan phi. What is the tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. इधर tan phi का opposite side क्या है? This. इधर VL minus VC है तो इधर भी VL minus VC. Adjacent side is VR. So tan phi equal to VL minus VC divided by VR. What is the VL? IXL minus IXC divided by VR means IR. Then after that I cancel होगा. L omega minus 1 by C omega equal to R. Clear everyone? Clear है क्या साहिल? Then after that any change in the EMF? No. E equal to E naught sin omega t. But I is changed. I equal to I naught sin omega t minus phi. What is the meaning? Current is lagging with respect to the angle phi. Clear everyone? Then three cases here. This LCR circuit को हम लोग को inductor circuit बनाएगा, capacitor circuit, resistor circuit भी बन जाएगा. This XL का value XC का value को भी ज़्यादा है तो this LCR circuit is called as inductive circuit. Inductor अकेले वाला हम लोग पढ़ते थे ना. XC का वैल्यू XL का वैल्यू को ज्यादा है तो XC is greater than XL. This LCR is turned into capacitor. XL equal to XC. This LCR circuit is turned into resistor. So everyone process is same. Small changes are there. Clear everyone? You have any doubt? Pause the video. So we want to start electrical resonance. Otherwise LCR circuit का resonance condition क्या है? Anywhere you can just listen the word resonance, meaning is that XL equal to XC. Otherwise phase angle को क्या बोलते हैं? Phase angle is phi. Phi equal to 0. Phase angle is 0. XL equal to XC. That is called as resonance. So we know L omega. XL means L omega. XC means 1 by C omega. So this is the LCR circuit का resonance condition. What is the impedance of the LCR circuit? This we already studied. Derivation of the resonance LCR circuit. Impedance is this. Impedance is also known as effective resistance. So I can write this is R also. Effective resistance. Maybe this resistance value, otherwise impedance value minimum, it is also behave like a pure resistor. मतलब this value छोटा हो गया तो resistor बढ़ जाऊंगा. That is the meaning. So impedance value is less. It is just like a pure resistor. Then I equal to V by Z. Z का value कम है तो current का value increases. तो increase करके करके current का value maximum हो गया तो current को क्या बोलेगा? I naught. I is the instantaneous. I naught is the peak. So I maximum means I naught. So that means in this condition, which current is flowing through the circuit? I naught is flowing through the circuit. मतलब क्या है भाई? Resonance condition में peak current is passing through the circuit. बस इतना बोलने के लिए इधर से आ गया. ठीक है? समझ गया क्या? Then after that, we should derive the resonance condition. Resonance means XL equal to XC. So L omega equal to 1 by C omega, cross multiplication, omega square equal to 1 by LC. Omega means 2 pi FR. So omega equal to 1 by root LC. 2 pi FR equal to 1 by root LC. FR equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. FR is called as resonance frequency. So इसमें भी अप्लाई कर दिया मैं. L omega means 2 pi FR equal to 1 by C omega equal to 2 pi FR. इसको भी फाइनल आंसर क्या मिलेगा? FR equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. Clear everyone? That is called as resonance frequency. It's not completed. We should continue. So after that I will write. Pause the reading. Beginning of that, I am considering two diagrams depends on the resonance. Listen here. First is the case x-axis contain frequency, y-axis contain current. I am already telling you impedance value decreased. फिर resistance मिल जाएगा. Resistance value decrease है तो I equal to V by R में V by Z में Z का value less, current is maximum, it will be coming I naught. ठीक है ना? So in this case, first diagram resistor is R2, second diagram resistor is R1. R2 is less than R1. समझ गया क्या? So resistor is less, resistance is less in this diagram. So it will be attaining maximum current. समझ गया क्या? What is resonance में क्या हो जाएगा? Impedance value decreases. Means resistance value decreases. Current value attained to maximum I naught. In this diagram में R1 is the first resistance value, R2 is the second resistance value. R1 is greater than R2. So कम resistance कहाँ है? R2 में. So R2 value is less and attained to the point is I naught. सही है ना? Current maximum हो जाएगा. कहाँ? Resistance value कम में तो. With respect to which frequency? Resonance frequency FR. When the current is attaining I naught, that time का frequency क्या है? Resonance frequency. Next diagram difference is that इधर current था, इधर impedance है, इधर frequency है. Impedance क्या करना चाहिए सर? Impedance is come to decrease. सही है ना? So देखो इधर impedance is come to decrease and increases also. Gradually decreases and increases. In this point में मतलब Z equal to R, impedance is very less. That time का frequency देखो FR. So this point में क्या हो जाएगा? Resonance हो जाएगा. Clear everyone? समझ गया क्या? What is acceptor circuit? This resonance के बारे में हम लोग LCR circuit को different नाम बोलूँगा. First one is acceptor circuit. Acceptor circuit means current value is maximum I naught and its impedance value is R. The meaning is that impedance value is R means LC में voltage drop 0 है. That is the new word, new idea for you. Impedance में इंडक्टर में भी कैपेसिटर में voltage का drop 0. That means all the voltage is coming in across R. Clear everyone? सही है ना? That is R equal to व्हाट इज आई? आई इक्वल टू वी बाई आर. आर कम है तो वी मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा ना, रेसिस्टेंस कम है तो वी मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए. सो रेसिस्टर में रेसिस्टेंस मैक्सिमम, वोल्टेज मैक्सिमम. ठीक है, ओके. सो हो जाएगा दिस इन दिस कंडीशन. इस कंडीशन एक्सेप्ट करते हैं तो दैट सर्क्यूट इज कॉल्ड एज acceptor circuit. Acceptor circuit is only accepting FR frequency. All other frequency को accept नहीं करेगा. Clear everyone? That means acceptor circuit is only accepting FR frequency. It is also known as series resonance circuit, voltage resonance circuit, otherwise acceptor circuit. So LCR circuit में current is maximum, Z equal to R. Voltage drop across L and C is 0. Maximum voltage drop in R, only accepting FR. This condition आ गया तो that is called as acceptor circuit. समझ गया कहानी? Pause the video. तो चलो. Sharpness कैसे है सर? इतना टाइम से ही बोलिए. Peak value of the current पहुंचेगा resonance में when resistance value decrease हो गया तो. So R value decreases, I value increases, मतलब sharpness increases. Again, the sharpness increases. Current value maximum, R value decreases. So impedance value, Z value less, R value less, current value high, impedance sharpness value high. Stop.